Attachment focused parenting, a part of it that is absolutely is essential is the ability of the significant adults, the parents, the carers, the guardians, to repair the relationship when it has been damaged. That as the adults, we don't wait for the child to apologise. And the reason that we want the repair to happen is that having an adult apologise is so very powerful. Now, when we talk about repairing the relationship, it isn't necessarily going to involve apologising for everything. But what it does is by saying sorry, we are really letting that child know that my relationship with you is far more important than whatever has gone on. That whatever has gone on, that our relationship can still carry on. And so it teaches children that, well, it teaches them not to catastrophize. That what they will realise is that you can fall out with somebody, but you can also make up, that it's not the end of the world. So it might be that as the parent, carer, guardian, you have lost your temper. And you might have lost your temper because you've come in and they have made an absolute mess of the kitchen. And so, for you, it's perfectly understandable that you're angry. However, the difficulty is by being angry, you're not staying regulated. And therefore, it's not, you won't have the ability to develop the relationship. By your anger, they will go into reactive and they will go on the defensive. So you might have lost your temper, and that has meant they have flipped their lid and it's not been a good outcome. So once things have calmed down, to go back to the child and say, I just want to say I am so sorry that I got so angry earlier. That really wasn't helpful for you, was it? I am so sorry that I shouted. I'm so sorry that I said things that it was not nice for you to hear. By making that apology, it will help bring them into the relationship. It will connect with them so that you can then go on and explain that, it was such a shock when I walked in. I flipped my lid, and I'm really sorry because, that's not helpful. And so what that does is it teaches the child that it's okay to make a mistake. Even this adult makes a mistake. And when we do make a mistake, this is what we do about it. We apologise. It's really, really powerful. So it's that message that my relationship with you is far more important than anything that is said or done. And if it's been damaged, I want to show you that it can be repaired and we can go forward. Because a lot of children with attachment issues are actually petrified of making a mistake because they're petrified of failure. They think that if they fail, you will reject them, that they already feel a disappointment. So often they're trying really, really hard to be perfect, which we all know isn't possible. So actually, with attachment-focused parenting, we want you to make mistakes because we want you to apologise. The wonderful thing about attachment-focused parenting is it's a win-win. If you use pace, you get a really strong, positive relationship. If you make a mistake, you apologise. And that's really good too, because the child experiences an adult saying sorry.